Alright, making a quick video for everybody here, what's been going on the last week. So you could probably hear it right now. There is some annoying rattle going on in the center console here. I have no idea what it is. I've ripped it all apart so far. It's not the shifter. I think it's something underneath the driver's seat, so I'm gonna have to pull out the driver's seat and see if what's underneath there. Something might be loose. Stay tuned, folks. Back again. I guess I'm kind of stupid because I thought the noise was coming from the interior, but it actually ended up being this exhaust hanger right here. The bolt was loose on it, so the hanger itself was vibrating really bad. Tightened it back down and the noise is gone. All right, that's it for this episode. Stay tuned, folks.